Hello guys, welcome and namaste from Nepal to this YouTube channel PHP Laravel once again. Today I will show you how to use Tinker instead of using uh, the actual PHP We can insert data into the database without inserting directly from phpmyadmin. Let's start our video. First of all, I'm going to show you there is no data in my profile. I have one project in which I have a user database. Let me show you how to add the data values into the database from the Tinker. As I told you in the previous video, I will show you how to use Tinker. Okay guys, here in my database I have a project database called Hammer Shop, where I have a users table, and in this table I have one database value here. You can see ID, name, email verified, password, admin, this created it, and okay, phone address, image, and about. Okay, I'll enter data from Tinker. Let me show you from the beginning. This is my Linux command prompt. Git bash. Okay, now I'm in my root parent directory of Hammer Shop. Okay, after reaching to this, I can enter my data into my users table through this way. PHP Artisan Tinker. Okay, after that, okay, now I'm going to first define a variable. Dollar, let me define as a user. Okay, user new app slash, I have to put my in user table. Okay, so now entering data is what I have valued. A field of name. Okay, user name. What should be the name? Let me write. Okay, maybe okay, GUHN John, CHHETRZ. Okay, now after that, email. User email admin.com. Okay, now password. We have to write it like this: as make what as make PASSW for example. Okay, now it will decrypt the password into the following form, and we have we can give also the admin value, phone address, image, and about, but I have kept the phone address, image, and about is nullable. So if I do not put the value for phone address and image and about, that will not create a problem. But first of all, here let me set the value of admin. Okay, let me set the value of phone also. Phone also. Need one again. Okay, but it should be okay. Address. Nepal. Okay, now okay, I've made other thing nullable, so no need to write any, no need to put any value here. Now I am saving all these things. Oh, sorry. Here I have the same value of admin. Okay, I have first one because it needs different email address. It is not taking same email address. Now it's true, guys. With a lot of error, I have made it. EXIT. Goodbye. Here with two errors, I have successfully did enter data. So let me refresh it. Okay, guys. Now I have database generated here. I have did it from Tinker. Okay. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe and your comment if you need more and more.